Hello, today we're going to be unboxing this. It's the Ford Bronco in 1/25th scale from Revell. Now this is a American release, you can tell, because you've got the sort of different style box to the European release. You've got age, level, hours recommended, things like that on here. Some details on this side in English, French and Spanish. This was first released in 2016. I don't believe that this has ever been reboxed by Revell of Germany. Some pictures there of the detail of the kit. Got a full engine, removable roof, things like that. It's officially licensed. More details on there, and yeah, details about level on this side. Let's open this up and have a look inside. So we've got parts, chrome parts, clear parts, a lot of white parts, instructions and decals. Let's start with these. The original Ford Bronco could be considered to be ahead of its time. It was Ford's first compact SUV vehicle, a category which has become so popular today. The Bronco remained basically unchanged from 1966 to 1977, and has extended to 5 generations. Based off a 92-inch wheelbase, the first Bronco was intended as an off-road multi-purpose truck with 4-wheel drive. The base price was under $2,200 when it was introduced. The original Bronco offered a long list of options, but still remained a very basic vehicle. It was designed with a clear sheet, and unlike the Mustang, it did not use an existing platform. There were 2 engines to choose from, a straight 6 more powerful small block V8, and 3 body styles, a wagon, a half cab or a roadster. Other options included such things as a swing-away spare tyre and bench-style back seat. So let's have a look through. We've got a list of part names and a list of colours here. More part names here. And then the instructions go like so. Start with the engine. And there's the decal placements. So let's start with this large bag here. So some parts are very small. Some of the wheels and also part of the engine. Parts of the axles, parts of the seats, and there might be some sort of roll bar, more seats, got the interior floor, that's part of the tailgate, and that's also another seat part there, gear stick, another part of the bench seating. Instrument display, steering wheel, indicator stalks, another part of the roll bar. Lots of small parts here. Looks like exhausts. Got the sort of ladder frame. Nice and detailed. Spare wheel, shock absorbers, looks like the oil pan, there's the fan, lots of engine parts. This, as you can see there, is the V8. Belt, suspension, that is for the spare tyre. Sides of the engine and transmission. And look, you've got sort of over the wheel arches. I think this is the bonnet or the hood for our American viewers. Yeah, inside of the doors there, that's like the tailgate. I think those might be more parts of the seats. So yeah, in here, got the main, you can see there the engine bay. You've got things like the battery has been moulded in. So yeah, the tailgate is actually attached, so I guess that other part we saw would go on the inside of there. And then you've got the removable roof. Whoops. Which go on like so. And then in here we've got the 4 tyres. I think these are all the same, slightly squishy rubber, no sidewall markings, but a nice sort of tread, and those should be fairly easy to apply. So then we got the chrome parts here. Wouldn't be a car from the 60s without a decent bit of chrome, would it? So there we've got the radiator grille with the headlights, and you can see the Ford lettering there. We've got some mirrors, windscreen wipers. I think these might be more mirrors perhaps, door handles, tail lights, hubcaps. We've got a couple of bumpers there. You could choose whether you wanted to strip this or not. I don't mind the quality of chrome out of the kit. Sometimes I dull it down a little bit, maybe with a bit of weathering powder. And then we've got the clear sprue in here. Need to be careful with these. The windows are all separate. Don't want to get any fingerprints on those. And you've got very simple headlights and tail lights. So yeah, not too many clear parts. And then finally you've got the decals. So this being an American Revell kit, there's not too many options. You've got different coloured Ford lettering. Some of these for the engine parts. You've got Bronco logos. I think these go on the seats. That's quite a nice option. You've got these white patterns that can go on the side or on the bonnet, and some instrument decals. But yeah, these are all very nicely printed. Colorado 1973 number plate. So there we have it. Not built too many off-road cars, but Land Rover, also by Revell, and Range Rover by Aoshima. But yeah, not any American kind of trucks. So yeah, looking forward to building this. Let me know if you've built it down below, and if you have any hints or tips. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you soon.